Hey guys, welcome back to RAC, where we talk all things audio production and sound. We love tape. Why do we love tape? Because it sounds so good. In the cold digital era that we're in, the allure of analog recording methods remains strong, and for a good reason. Among these, reel-to-reel tape machines hold a special place, not only in the hearts, but in the studio. They are king for their warmth and sexy distortion. Hi, I'm Dariana Everett. I'm a singer-songwriter, producer, and RAC grad. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of reel-to-reel tape machines, going over their components and how they work. Let's go. How reel-to-reel tape machines work. Reel-to-reel tape machines, often referred to as open reel tape decks, operate on a simple yet ingenious principle, converting sound into magnetic signals and then storing them on a moving tape. The two main components are the tape itself and the machine that houses it. So let's go over the basic components that you'll find on a reel-to-reel tape machine. First off, you'll have the supply reel. This will hold the blank tape. Next, you have the take-up reel. This collects the tape after it has passed through the machine. We then have the tape transport mechanism. This guides the tape from the supply reel to the take-up reel. The magnetic heads. This is where the magic happens. They read, write, and play information on and from the tape, capstan, and pinch roller. These ensure that the tape moves at a constant speed. Amplification and control system. This manages the recording and playback. Here are some technical specifications that are important when trying to understand tape machines. Tape speed. Tape speed is crucial for sound quality. Common tape speeds are 3.75, 7.5, 15, and 30 inches per second, or as we call it, IPS. Higher speeds result in better sound quality due to more detailed magnetic imprinting. But this also consumes more tape. Tape width. Standard tape widths are 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 2 inches. Wider tapes provide more space for recording multiple tracks, which is essential for multi-track recording. Track format. Full track. It uses the entire width of the tape to record a single channel. Half track records 2 channels, 1 in each direction. Quarter track records 4 channels, typically 2 in each direction. Okay, so let's go over the magic of tape and the magnetic heads. The tape. The tape is a plastic strip coated with magnetic material, usually an iron or ferric oxide. When recording, the tape passes over the recording head, which magnetizes the particles into a pattern that corresponds to the incoming audio signal. Let's dive into the magnetic heads. Erase head. It demagnetizes the tape to remove previous recordings. Record head. Magnetizes the tape in response to the incoming audio signal, creating the recording. Playback head. Reads the patterns on the tape and converts them back to electrical signal. Now, let's go over the process. During recording, the audio signal is amplified and sent to the record head, which creates a magnetic imprint on the tape. During playback, the tape passes over the playback head, which reads these magnetic patterns and converts them back into an audio signal. The consistency and quality of these processes are critical for achieving high fidelity sound. Tape machines are still very much used today. I have one. And despite the digital revolution, reel-to-reel tape machines are used in so many studios across the world, and they still hold a very important place. They often take up a lot of place as well. And here's why. The sound quality. The analog nature of tape gives a warmth and a richness that digital formats really struggle to replicate. The slight natural compression and tape saturation can add beautiful harmonic distortion, enhancing the overall texture of the audio. Archival and restoration. Reel-to-reel tape is durable and can last for decades if stored properly. This makes it an excellent medium for archiving and preserving historical recordings. Additionally, audio engineers will often use tape machines to restore and digitize old audio recordings. Creative effects. Audio engineers and music producers use tape machines creatively to achieve unique effects. Techniques like tape looping, tape delay, and tape flanging are just a few examples of how reel-to-reel tape machines can be used to add distinct character to your music productions. So I hope this video was helpful for understanding all the different components on a tape machine and how they work. The history of tape machines is actually pretty cool, so if you guys want a video on that, do let me know. I do also like kind of the history of different gear, so if that's also interesting to you, let me know. That's it for this overview video. I wanted to keep it simple and really just get straight to the point, try to help demystify the workings of a tape machine. So if you like this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We come out with new content every week. We also recently came out with a few demo videos on vocal production and sidechaining. So if you find that interesting, I'll link it down below in the description. please check it out. So this is a bit of a series where I'm going into gear, how it works, and I will be doing a demo on my tape machine coming up. And if you guys have any video requests, do let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!